Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of PFN list corrupt blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, whenever I encounter the blue screen of death error, my first approach is to disconnect all peripherals, because a lot of peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras start pushing their own drivers to the computer, and these drivers interfere with the existing drivers within the computer. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to initiate the SFC scan. The second solution is to check the drive for errors. Now go to this PC in File Explorer, right click on the C drive and then select Show More Options, Properties, and then go to Tools, click on Check for Error Checking and then click on Scan Drive. The next solution is to update all drivers, and if you wish to update all drivers at once, then the procedure is as follows. Right click on the Start button and then select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options, click on Optional Features, and if you see any update here, any driver update here, check this box and click on Download and Install. Okay. This is how you will easily update all drivers. Then search for verifier and click on this verifier tool here, and then make sure that it sets create standard settings, and then click on next and then click on next once again. It will check for unsigned drivers. Now in my case, no unsigned drivers have been found, but if there are any unsigned drivers on your system, then update them. And this is all that you need to solve this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.